So, as you all know, I recently made a supermarket simulator game in just a week, but a couple of days later, I thought to myself, what if I added the ability for players to create their own products? So, here's how it went. Firstly, I started by creating a simple 16 by 16 grid where all of the voxels would be placed, and I created the camera movement which rotates around this grid area and can also zoom in and zoom out, and I added the save and delete buttons and even the ability to name the product. And lastly, I added the color picker to choose the voxel's color, so now it was time to actually create the voxel placing system. And now, using the left click button, the user can add a voxel and they can remove it by right clicking. But here, I still had some grid placement problems that needed to be fixed immediately. But before, I spent some time making the UI for this new feature, which allows you to view all your products and edit or delete them and even add a new product. And in the editor, I added the ability to select a floor which directly changes the height where the voxels would be placed, allowing to create more 3D items. So as you can see over here how I'm able to increase the height where the voxels would be placed and create some really cool models. And by the way, I forgot to mention that later I changed the grid size to be 16 by 8 voxels and kept the height at 16 voxels. And now, here's where the real trouble started. Every time I tried running the game, it would run for like a second after clicking start, and then my laptop would crash, making it totally unplayable for me, so it was really tough work to test out this feature. I literally tried everything I could to optimize my game, starting with the product system, and I even completely changed the game data saving system, but nothing seemed to be working. So sad news is, I decided to just abandon this project. But the good news, I'll also make this version available for Windows on itch.io, but of course I'll keep the old one, cause this one isn't really stable. Anyways, I hope you guys can play it, and if it crashes for you or you stumble upon any bug, please let me know and I will attempt to fix it. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.